All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlackFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Well, today on film, we're going to be claiming BUSD crop farmers. This is actually going to put me at 50% of my money back. I've already got my money back. This claim is going to get me 50% of it back. The streets are bloody everywhere with cryptocurrency. But BUSD is still pegged to $1, so no matter what happens tomorrow and what drops 40 to 50% tomorrow, BUSD is still going to be the same. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day even own some cryptocurrency. All right, guys, we're going to be doing the BUSD crop farmers. I love to do this on film to be transparent. The only bad news is I only put $250 in this. Now I wish I would have put $5,000 or $6,000 into this. Me personally, that's my opinion, because all these coins that I have are down. How about that Terra Luna down to $1 and it was $100? It was down 99%, and it's just crazy. So, all right, we're not going to talk about the negative, bloody cryptocurrency market. We're going to talk about BUSD crop farmers. Let's head over and check it out. Here we are. Take a look. In 26 seconds, my card is full. 22 seconds, take a look at that. 19, 18, 17. Well, I can just start talking. So take a look here. I've put $250 into this. I've claimed $245. Right here, I got $112 of BUSD, which is still equal to $1. I actually make $56 a day. This is I can claim my card. This is actually really a 5 and 2. You actually claim for 5 days. I'm sorry, you compound for 5 days, and then you let your cart fill up the 6th day, and you let your cart fill up the 7th day. So one of my viewers actually said, nope, it's not a 6 and 1, Frank. It's actually a 5 and 2. You're totally correct. Notice over here in my wallet, I have $180. Notice I've sold $245. Let's go ahead and do this. All right, here we go. Let's do this on film. Got $112. Let's harvest the crops. Let's try this again. Let's harvest our crops here. Hitting my ledger. Good to have a ledger. Accepting it. All right, let's see how this 112 goes up to that. We're going to be looking at this part right here, the 180 wallet, and we're going to be looking at the 245 crops here. It may take a second to do it, so give it a second. Sometimes it's 2 seconds. Sometimes it's 10 seconds. Sometimes it's 15 seconds. It depends on how. Boom! There we go. All right, I have $287 right here. My only mistake on this is I should have put more than $250 in the start. I've compounded it enough times that I got $1,600 right here. My total crops sold that I put into my wallet is $352. I put $250 in. I got $352 back. Half of so we're about 40% ROI. Let's see this real quick. 250 times 0.4 is 100. Yep, I'm at 40%. So I've already 40% of my money, a little bit over 40% of my money. So that's fantastic. So again, as everything is bloody on the streets, let's take a look at this BUSD crop farmers. You make 8% daily. You get an 8% referral. If you like my video, please, if you decide to do this, use my referral link. There's a 4% daily hiring bonus, a 12% cool down period. We're going to go over that. A 4-hour withdrawal cool down period. We're going to go over that in a second. Once your card is full, once you've done the 10 compounds, which is right here below it, the 10 compounds, you basically let your card fill up for 48 hours. There's the 5 and 2. The 6th day you fill it up, 24 hours. The 7th day you fill it up, 24 hours. There's 48. If you don't do this and you claim your money before doing it proper, you'll get charged 80% tax. I did not get charged 80% tax. I basically put $250 in. I wish I would have put a 0 on that. I wish I would have put $2,500 in this. Then I would have $3,500 back. But again, you live and learn. But this is a project that I am not going to lose on. Not like the coins that I buy. Man, everybody who has Terra Luna right now, and they bought it for $100 1 week ago, holy cow, it's $1 or $2 right now. So again, wanted to bring this to you. Oh, I got another one right here. I'm doing Wolf Pack right here. Take a look at this. I only put $200 in this one, $250 in the other one. I'm making $14 a day. I got to let this cart fill up for 11 more hours. If I claimed it right now, I'd get $21. I already made $29. Basically, I'll be claiming this. But again, one of my favorites, the BUSD Crop Farmers. So very profitable. I've already made 40% of my money back. Again, you can't claim your money too early. All the coins that people are buying, they're probably not even looking at their stats right now because I don't think anything is up right this second. This is truly something that I can't lose on my coin. Like, I don't have to worry about this $287 in my wallet being $187 tomorrow because it's BUSD. I put $250 in BUSD. I have $352 back. This is a fantastic project. Take a look at this. Here's the 4-hour cooldown period. Look at how it's kind of ticking. 3 hours. I can't do nothing for, with the tax, I wouldn't do it. But the next time I can hire farmers is 12 hours from now. And so far, I got $56 a day. I got 14,487 farmers. All right, everybody, some positive stuff about crypto. Not losing $1 in BUSD. A lot of people don't know if these crop farmers work. Well, on film, I'm showing you it works. I just made another claim. Now, 7 days from now, because I'm going to compound 10 times, which is really 5 days. And then I'm going to let my cart fill up the 6th day. And I'm going to let my cart fill up the 7th day. And then in 7 days from now, I'm going to do it again. Just kind of showing the viewers that this is a fantastic project. I put a whole 250 in. I'm not a financial planner. Do all your own information. My information is for educational purposes only. But you may think this BUSD Crop Farmers could be a winner for you. Because, again, I don't have to worry about that coin being down 40 to 90% when I wake up tomorrow. All right, everybody, thanks for tuning in to Frank's Crypto Corner. Don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to the channel. Click over here, and I'll actually show you the FTM Crop Farmers. And I'm also going to show you over here USDC Crop Farmers. That one is pegged to $1. Thanks, everybody, and have a fantastic day. All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlackFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Well, today on film, we're going to be claiming BUSD Crop Farmers. This is actually going to put me at 50% of my money back. I've already got my money back. This claim is going to get me 50% of it back. The streets are bloody everywhere with cryptocurrency, but BUSD is still pegged to $1. So no matter what happens tomorrow and what drops 40 to 50% tomorrow, BUSD is still going to be the same. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Or go on this channel to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day even own some cryptocurrency. All right, guys.